Hello, and welcome to Lean Excel Solutions. In this tutorial, we will learn to create this Pareto chart in Excel. First, let's understand what is Pareto chart and how and where to use it. A Pareto chart is a type of chart that contains both bars and line graph. It is also known as Pareto diagram or Pareto analysis. It is based on Pareto principle, which is also known as the 80-20 rule. It states that, in most cases, around 80% of the effects come from 20% of the causes. For example, 80% of the sales come from 20% of clients. 80% of the quality issues come from the 20% of the defects. 80% of complaints come from 20% of customers. 80% of revenue comes from 20% of products, etc. The Pareto chart helps us to visualize it accordingly. So, you can use it for quality control, business analysis, identifying improvement opportunities, and in many other such cases. Let's understand the chart design. The individual values are represented in descending order by bars, and the cumulative total in terms of percentage is represented by the line. Now, let's go back to the Excel and understand how to draw it. This is the sample data, which has defects in first column and defect quantity in the second column. Using this data, we will prepare Pareto chart to analyze and visualize which are the major contributors by quantity and percentage contribution. We will do it in 5 steps. First, sort values highest to lowest. Second, calculate the cumulative total. Third, calculate the cumulative total percentage. Fourth, select this range, insert a bar chart. Fifth, select chart. Go to change the chart type. Change the cumulative percentage chart type from bar to line, and move it to the secondary axis by clicking here. And click OK. And the Pareto chart is ready. Let's format it. Next tutorial, we will learn to automate it, so that you can use it as a template. Like, by just updating the data in first 2 column, the Pareto chart will update automatically. The bar color will visualize top 80% and last 20% contributors to the data. Also, on addition of the data rows, the chart range will be adjusted according to it. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe to the channel if you have not yet subscribed. Thanks for watching.